Question 8. In a basketball game, the winning team scored 17 points. They won by 9 points. How many points did the losing team score? In this question, we are comparing the winning team's points with the losing team's points. The winning team I will put here in the top bar because they will have the most number of points, the larger quantity. The losing team's points will go here along with the difference. In a basketball game, the winning team scored 17 points. So the winning team's quantity is 17. They won by 9 points. So the difference of how much they won by is 9. So if they're going to have 9 more, then the losing team will be about that size. How many points did the losing team score? The losing team's number of points is unknown. I'm going to use this plan because I know the larger quantity and I know the difference. If I subtract them, I will get the smaller quantity. So the larger quantity of 17, subtract the difference of 9, will give me my unknown smaller quantity, which is the losing score. 17 subtract 9 equals 8. I can check this by putting 8 in my diagram, and 8 add 9 is 17. So the maths is correct. The last thing I need to check is the actual question, that I've answered it. How many points did the losing team score? The losing team scored 8 points.